So this is
Wait, let me see that gas tank
This
again.
is going to be more like this when it's up regularly.
Right, when it's up regularly, right. You still want them up high like that, you know.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
How long do you think you can take up this lift?
Ha!
I think he's liking it so
There's
pretty.
another lift. Dad can use the other lift.
Look how smooth you got
How long you
this.
staying for again?
I think I suppose I'm staying till you say get the. Ay, ay, ay.
Oh, you know what else?
Come on,
What else?
The toilet today.
Oh, thank you. That's a good one for YouTube. We haven't even gotten to the dinner table. We're already talking about shit.
It's no different at our house. Anything can happen to anybody, so.
Nope, too big. Oh, way too big.
Jeez.
I think we make a
We
seat.
already got a banana seat.
Here's the deal. We already got this.
Yeah, we already got the banana beat.
Make this, and then kind of curve it in. Make some ears back here, right about maybe an inch and a half on the end. And come out, angle them down, and then bend them. Sheet metal. Then we found this. We found the seat out underneath this tree fork that looks like something off of a exercise, like a weightlifting bench.
Oh, yeah.
And it's
Oh, we could use that
cool
foam. Yeah. Yeah.
Texture.
That's exactly what it came off
So
of.
we're talking about, and there's another smooth fabric underneath, and I said all we have to do is put the one with the texture on with some foam on the metal pan,
Perfect.
and Shazam, and then we put the smooth one on.
Shazam.
So
Did you
I
want
noticed
to tape
don't
it
have
on
a
there to...
kickstand.
You're going to tape
Oh,
it on.
goodness gracious.
I have one here for you.
Oh yeah.
That's going to work?
Yeah, this will be.
Wasn't that the old one on the
That was the
BSA?
old BSA kickstand, yeah.
I feel like that one works better than the one that's on there right
It
now.
probably does.
I don't
but
think
we
there was
need to
one
rub
on
that
there.
in right now.
You don't want to tape that down before you trace it?
Yeah, probably.
Here, I'll step on it.
This is the moment when you tell your kid you need.
Yeah, that works.
Bring it on.
Yeah.
Quietly sink it in there.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're smart girl. Why are you so smart?
Oh, it moved. It moved.
Harley badge we can use.
Tape it.
That's what I told him to do.
Yep.
No, you
Use some-
said, hey, I'll step on it.
If you
No, I said, why don't you tape that? Or you should tape that. You
And I said,
do-
okay, but then you said, oh, I'll just step on it. That's fine.
What if you
Not
just
Chuck.
What if you just made like a big a footprint, a giant footprint? So it looks
pretty
like a
much what it
foot
looks like.
with the toe.
Oh.
No.
No.
You call over that. Remember, you know what? I gotta tell you something right now.
What is?
You gotta leave yourself. Remember, I said we're gonna put ears on it. Where are the ears?
Ruh-roh. Well, now you got a base.
We'll weld the ears on.
Why don't you just move it over a little?
Try
Go
it
on the
on
other
this
side
side.
and
Yeah.
draw it out
Harley
again.
on that side.
But leave yourself a little more room here so you can do your little ears. But I would make them oversized because you can always trim them if you want to fit the
All right.
body. So
We're gonna go
always
eat.
like
You gotta turn the sheet metal over. Oh yeah, there you go.
like
Alright,
so.
let's get tape.
Why don't we go eat first?
We're gonna go eat.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we'll come
Go
back
eat.